St. Petersburg is aptly referred to as the Sunshine City because it holds the Guinness World Record for the most days with sunshine in a row. Visitors can enjoy a distinctive fusion of urban flair and traditional beach vacation in the city. The 7 miles of waterfront parks invite visitors to enjoy a variety of activities, including hiking, camping, and kayaking, and the wide sandy beaches provide views of magnificent sunsets. An extensive cultural experience is also promised by the ongoing creative renaissance, whether it be through the renowned Doll Museum or the Museum of Fine Arts. Additionally, the city hosts more than 1,000 events annually, ranging from the St. Anthony's Triathlon to the Rib Fest, a festival honoring grilled ribs and touring musicians. These events are frequently held in the downtown area, which is dotted with boutiques, restaurants and craft beer pubs that come alive in the evening. With so much to offer, the sunny city is a favorite vacation spot for tourists of all ages. Families will enjoy the tranquil outdoors and abundant wildlife, while younger travelers will find a variety of activities downtown, including a vibrant nightlife. St. Petersburg is home to the renowned Salvador Dali Museum, acclaimed restaurants and lovely Fort de Soto Park, in addition to its lovely award-winning beaches. With so much to do, the waterfront escape is the ideal family vacation destination. The gleaming new 26 acres St. Pete's Pier is the ideal location for strolling, biking, dining, drinking, shopping, swimming and more. It combines the calm blue waters of Tampa Bay with the vibrant greenery of downtown St. Petersburg parks. St. Petersburg, which twinkles between the Gulf of Mexico and Tampa Bay, is renowned for its warm climate and for having 768 days in a row of sunshine. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The hub of the city, downtown St. Petersburg, features fantastic dining, shopping, entertainment and cultural attractions. Visit the Chihuly collection on Central Avenue to see astounding glasswork after stopping to see the largest collection of Dali's work outside of Spain. You're in for some major fun in the sun, whether you're relaxing on some of America's top beaches or admiring gorgeous Tampa Bay from downtown St. Pete. Did you know that the largest city market in the southeast of the United States is located in St. Petersburg? Discover homemade pastries, ethnic cuisine, and organic produce at the Saturday morning market. Additionally, there are booths for vendors and artists who both have handmade goods for sale. The St. Petersburg neighborhood and its businesses have benefited greatly from this market, which generates an estimated $120,000 for participating vendors each market. Even if you have no plans to shop at the market, stop by to watch the live entertainment, which begins at 11 am. There are more than 35 local craft breweries along the Gulf Coast if you enjoy craft beer. You can even download a craft beer trail passport to keep a record of the places you've been. Craft beers like Mango Habanero and Key Lime are available. If fishing isn't your thing, St. Pete offers a variety of other water-related activities. Along the pristine white sand beaches, you can find businesses that rent jet skis, paddleboards, sunset cruises, and even parasailers. Don't forget to keep an eye out for dolphins and manatees while you are on the water.